This is my G refrigerator. I know water is coming out. Whenever I put it on water and push the water, I could hear the relay back there clicking, but nothing is coming out. But my ice is working fine. The ice and everything is working fine. So first thing you want to do, I changed my filter out, but I changed the filter out about 3 months ago, so it's good. But I put another one in there just in case and tried it, but it's not the filter. So either it's the solenoid in the back, or maybe it's just frozen and clogged up. So what I'm gonna do is go down here at the bottom. I'm gonna take this cover off. Only 2 screws is holding it. It's a Phillips head screws. So once you take that off, the reason why I'm taking it off, to have access to the quick disconnect. You saw that little blue quick disconnect that was in the back. But this is all what it looks like. It's pretty simple. Only, like I said, those 2 screws are holding it on. So I took those on so I can have access to this quick disconnect. Those 2 little screws. And once you take this quick disconnect off, you're not going to be able to reuse it. You might get lucky, but it's not a reusable one. So once you take it off, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get you another one. They're about $7, $8. Well, no, this one was $4, $4 to $5. So it's a 5/16 to 5/16. So now I'm gonna clean this water up. I'm gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna press the water here on my refrigerator. But make sure you hold the little light thing in and press the water. See, so I am getting water. So that lets me know it's on the other side. So the side that runs up to the refrigerator. So it must be frozen. So I got my hair dryer and I'm gonna heat it up from the outside. And I'm gonna also heat the inside up. And you can do this for 5 to 10 minutes. But to speed up the process, I'm gonna take these panels off right here. It's just 3 screws holding them. So this 1 screw is holding this first panel. So I'm gonna just unscrew that and I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna unscrew these other screws and take this other cover off so that I can have access to the hose, or closer to the hose. As you see, I'm gonna pull it right out. And then I'm gonna get the hair dryer and start putting some more heat on this so that I can unfreeze the hose. And I noticed that while I was doing it, some water did start coming out. But I got my weed eater, the 95 thousandths of an inch weed eater string. So I'm gonna push this up in the hose to clean it out a little bit more, since I already got it apart. So I take the 95 thousandths of an inch weed eater string and I'm pushing it all the way through. As you see, a couple of times I had some restrictions, but once I get it all the way through, I'm gonna move it back and forward and clean it out really good. You see, I'm still pushing it through, and I'm gonna look here at the bottom and see if it come through yet. Okay, it did make it all the way through. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this back and forth about 5 or 10 times to clean it out. Make sure I clean that hose out really, really good. Now this is the fitting that I had to get from Home Depot. It's 5/16 by 5/16. Once you put it on, you cannot take it off. So make sure everything is right before you put it on. As you can see, this right here is a 5/16 by 5/16. So now I'm gonna put it back on and put a cover and everything back on. I'm gonna try the water now. So I'm gonna hit water. I'm gonna push it. Air came out first, now the water. So everything works fine. All right, I hope this video helped. and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See link below for the fitting needed for the water hose.